Hello YouTube, this is DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with a delayed video. A couple complications came up. One, my computer was broke at the time, and number two, Lisa from Happycrafter had sent me my swap reveal, and my wonderful P.O. box sent it back to her. It was no postage issues or anything, but they sent it back. So, and that just so anyway, I just said just send it back when I got my next swap, because I was doing the next swap. So I just got it this month. So again, to my swap partners, I didn't do a reveal because my stuff didn't come in and my computer was down, but I just wanted to go ahead and say thank you to the ladies who swapped with me and to show you what the great creations they did. And of course, all of their links, including Lisa's, will be linked below. So this was for August. This was the loaded pocket tag flip that we did for Happycrafter, and they both came, I took it out the plastic just so I don't have as much rattling, but this is how Becky Long's came, and that is her topper. Very pretty. So let me show you hers real quick. So, and of course, Becky Long is the name of her channel as well. So this is her very feminine, pretty pink tag swap. So you can see right here, she's got some of the fun fur, and she's got some ribbon right here, Gonza ribbon, and we had to have a sentiment on the front page, and it also had to be included as the giveaway here. So she's got a tag topper right here, and she's got it in several different colors, metallics and glittered paper. And look at that pretty paper in the background with the floral on it. Oh, I love that. And these pretty flowers right here. And so our pockets have to have, you know, tags at the pockets on it so we can hold the goodies on it. And then on the back, she embossed it with Swiss dots, and hopefully you can see. And then she did a topper for some nice bling, some pink bling that coordinates nicely with this paper. And so then you saw her little embellishment and has the word smile on it. So she made this beautiful swan. And look at that feather. It's got a little gold crown and pink on it right there. So she, oops, had another topper. And here's some blings. So topper got a little rip, sorry about that. But beautiful bling in here in several shades. I don't have any of that color. And then some pearl on the back. The lighting is terrible. The sun is, hold on. I don't know. That's gonna help. I think that's a little better maybe. Yeah. So, that's the bling. Always can use some of that. Thank you. And she's got it here because we had to use whatever we put in the pocket had to be on the outside of the tag. And she has a different embossing folder right here, more like swatches. I have the embossing folder, I can't think of it. Then she did 3 different types of bows. And look at this butterfly with that piece in the middle. Like that, and a nice topper on a doily. And then we had to do some, that was her extra goodie that she gave because we could do a little goodie. And then she did some nice, look at this, fun fur. She's got some of that ribbon in here and that there because we had to use it on our pocket. So she made a bow right here using both of that lace and the ribbon. And then she's got on this nice sturdy, like bottom. Pretty paper. And then she's got another Swiss dots on the back. And then last but not least, it was just like our player's choice. She made this little embellishment right here that says love, and she's got some like a can't think of the name of it behind there, but I like that. And she made some right here, 2 of those cute embellishments. I love those little teeny miniature bows and appliques up there, and it says love, and the paper is like ribbed, so there's really pretty embellishments. So what a beautiful bag. And then last but not least, she has her tag over her top 10. Love the font that you use up here, and it says Becky Long, and it has all her information up here. And I have her links below. So thank you so much, Becky. I love it. It's very pretty, very feminine. I love the colors, even though I don't like pink. I love how you did it. You did a very pretty job. So thank you very much. And then next, we also have Miriam. And Miriam is from Crafty Butterfly Ferris. Hers came wrapped in this beautiful wrapping paper hay with the purses on it like every girl loves. And she has a card up here as well. Oops. And of course she's got butterflies, her signature. So she wrote me a nice little note. She says she had so much fun putting this together. She says she hopes I enjoy it, and of course I do. And any questions, she gave her information as well. So I thank you so much, Miriam. And she also had it double wrapped into this paper as well. Sorry about the noise. So let's check out hers again. So again, their links will be below. So hers also has a pink scheme as well. So this is her tulle and fun fur up here. So she's made her little tassel right here, which is very pretty, with the same colors that match the paper, because you've got your black and your gold and your pink and your white all in here, and these are the colors of her paper. So her sentiment is made with love, which is a beautiful sentiment, and of course she's got her signature butterfly, and so she put it in here as well. Here are some owls, and then on this one she's got made with love as well, and she's made this pretty little dimensional flower right here. So she's put an extra one with the owls in there. And look at this pretty tag. Nice dimensional. And we had to keep the backs all clear, and so she just layered it with the paper in the back. And look at this word sentiment. It says love, chipboard, wood veneer. And then on this one, it's always hard with these rings. She's made this pretty bow, and look at all this bling, beautiful colors, and I love that blue too. Nice colors that matches the bow. And of course, you know we love this lady right here. She reminds us of Audrey Hepburn, I think. I think that's probably why we like her so much. Oops, sorry. Hold on. Sometimes that little ring in the middle gives that little bump. Just trying to fix that. Okay. There we go. So, isn't she adorable? It says special day. And then inside, got plenty of bling in here. Can use, and every girl needs some bling. And that's the back of that one. And this is Magical Dreamer. And so on the back of that, a whole bunch of stickers that we can use to add embellishments to something else. And this says Blessed. It's got a flower here, and then we open it up, and then she's got her ribbons. You have to have at least 3 different types, and she has the 3 different types. I love that gold fun fur right there. So pretty and sparkly. And she's made that pretty flower right there, and I love that Blessed sticker. And then on top of that, she added some more. She added this stamp set right here. Look at that. So this is the stamp set, and I've seen these at Michael's. So this is a nice one for your planner, and it says what does it say? Amazing list to do, a smile. I think that's what it says. But I know this is a nice one for the planner. It's a planner sticker. And look at this pretty flower with the leaf. I love that leaf under it. It says love. Got some more bling. Look at these. And these have stickers on the back, so these are self-adhesive. Sorry. You see the details on those? And then she made some llamas. I like the llamas. And so you got those colors right there. She's made 2 pretty llamas, one going each direction that says live, and then on top of rosettes that she's made as well. Very pretty. And then she's got a rosette with a butterfly that says love in the middle. And she's got 2 tags right here. And these are really pretty. I would love to watercolor these. And that one says Ferris, and there's a bird on it. Nice tags. And then her 10 things about her are right here as well. So I will have out Miriam's information listed below. So thank you, ladies. This is so pretty. I love the colors, the pink, the black. And so thank you so much for participating in the swap and being my swap partners. So check out their channels below. Like and subscribe to their channel, and tell them I sent you. All right, take care. God bless. And I did be creative.